I always get such hate comments. Har brand ka sizing is very different. I look good in all colors and I know that. It's like the cheap net wala fabric. Favorite piece of this entire haul, you should know about me, is that I don't know why designers don't do it. Black was like my happy color. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ribleen, also known as PKB, and for today's video हम कर रहे हैं एक Meesho kurtis haul. Now since you guys love my hauls, I have been so consistent. I am so proud of myself क्योंकि मैं literally every single week upload कर रही हूँ on Mondays. I don't know, we actually aimed on going live on Sundays, but शिफ्ट होके मंडेज हो रहा है. बट आई एम जस्ट वेरी वेरी ग्लैड दैट वी आर डूइंग इट बिकॉज यू गाइज आर लविंग इट. आई एम लविंग द रिस्पॉन्स. आई एम लविंग दैट वी आर बिल्डिंग अ कम्युनिटी. सो या दैट्स दैट. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज हमने अंडर 500 रुपीज़ के काफ़ी सारे कुर्तियाँ ली है एंड सब बहुत क्यूट दिख रही है. एंड दीज आर लाइक बेसिक ऑफिस वेयर एवरी डे काइंड ऑफ कुर्तीज. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे गोना बी. सो लेट्स डू अ फर्स्ट impressions and also try them out. It's going to be a try on haul in the size XXL. But before that, if this is the first time that you're seeing me, then hi, I'm Ribleen, also known as PKB. I create content around makeup, fashion, lifestyle. We're all filter free. We talk a lot about self-love. So take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. मैं जब भी एक कोई भी ट्राई ऑन हॉल करती हूँ, इवन इफ इट्स ऑन शॉर्ट्स और इवन इफ इट्स फॉर लॉन्ग फॉर्म, आई ऑलवेज गेट सच hate comments and such like bad trolls and god knows what कि अपने size के कपड़े देख के मंगाया कर, या you know you're so fat and it does not fit you, why do you order clothes that are not of your size. So I order clothes that are of my size because I am a 44 chest size. So जब भी मैं कुछ top order कर रही हूँ, I always see if the bust size is 44. Now for example, I've ordered this kurti and it's written 44. Can you see it? So जो भी कपड़े मैं ऑर्डर करती हूँ उसके टॉप्स के अंदर, ड्रेसेस के अंदर, आई ऑलवेज सी इफ द बस्ट इज 44, इफ द ब्रांड हैज मेंशन्ड कि इट्स 44, तो मैं उसको ऑर्डर करती हूँ. नाउ इफ दैट इज an XL, if it's a XXL, if it's an L or an M, if it's 44, then I order it because it's my size. Now many times it does not fit me, many times it's tight. It's because हर brand का sizing is very different, which is why I like to do what I ordered versus what I got, because जो भी लोग order करते हैं चीज़ें, it's so difficult for them to figure out if it's going to fit them or no, because every time I order things in an XL or a XXL or even an L, sometimes it's very loose, sometimes it's very tight, and every brand's size chart is very different. इसलिए I always say that I ordered this in XXL or I ordered this in XL and this is what I got. So please don't hate me for that, because I literally am doing it according to how as a customer I would be thinking of, नहीं ये मुझे fit हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. इसलिए मैं short form को हमेशा वैसे करती हूँ कि मुझे fit हुआ या नहीं हुआ, I rate it on basis of that. But whenever I'm doing a long form video, I always talk about the material, about the fabric, about the print, about how it's fitting me, how it's looking, if it's short, if it's too long. I do all of that in long form because long form is for that. I'll give you another example. Okay, so if you get something from H&M, sometimes H&M का size XL का top is too loose for me and their L fits me perfectly, while on the other side Zara ka L will completely be like extremely tight for me and XL will fully fit me, जबकि सबके size charts are very different. That's why it's important for you to understand what brand has what size, what waist. Accordingly you need to order. So we have a few kurtis and I'm going to be wearing and showing it to you, so let's do that together. So this is the first kurti. Honestly, I love the fabric. It's so comfortable. It's such a summery vibe. मुझे short kurtis with denims का combo इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है. I feel it's just literally the best combo. Even if you go to college, even if you go to like classes or office or like anything that you do, like short kurtis with prints and denims just look so cool and just so nice. I love it. Okay, and this is literally peak Two States vibes. I don't know why it was reminding me of Two States. Alia Bhatt ka, I don't even remember the outfits she wore, but in general also it actually is such a nice kurti. I love it. It's very comfortable. I love the blue and cream work that is on this. The fit is very nice. I like that it's very short और side पे इसके cuts है and the material is also very comfortable. I think धो के ये और soft हो जाएगा because already it's very soft, and the neck detailing also makes it look very nice. It's not too deep, जबकि I have like a very heavy chest, तो अगर थोड़ा भी deep होता है तो my cleavage starts showing and I'm not that comfortable. So this definitely looks very cute and I love it. The next kurti we have is this grey kurti. It actually looked like a chikankari, like a very nice chikankari kurti, but if you see the fabric, it's like the cheap net wala fabric, not net also, it's actually georgette. It's nothing like chikankari. Even the embroidery on this is of very cheap material, like जो धागा यूज़ किया है वो काफ़ी अच्छा नहीं है, and it's not even covering my entire chest, and it's supposed to be like tight. It's काफ़ी tight for me. This again is in XXL, but it still does not fit me and it does not look that good. The length is nice and the color is really nice. I love a nice grey and white mood, but I honestly did not like it that much, so I am definitely going to return this.
12 seconds later.
The next kurti we have is this black kurti that has this gold print on it. Actually photo में ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था, photo में लग रहा था that there's just like embroidery and like nice dhaga work that's done, but actual में it's just like a sticker that's been stuck on this, and I'm not complaining because I feel that it looked very nice. It's very comfortable and I always love a nice black and gold moment because I love black. It's one of my favorite colors. Even like the sleeves, I think the sleeves are very lamba and it looks very nice. Fabric also was very soft and very breathable, even though summers के अंदर I know that it's very difficult to like wear clothes and just go out. You just want to be in your like baggy loose t-shirts and just stay at home the entire day, but I know, so I think this is a very good choice for that because I really liked it. Next has to be my favorite piece of this entire haul, which is this stunning pink kurti. Now this is such a bubblegum pink color. मतलब अगर आप इसको ऐसे देखोगे तो ऐसे झोले जैसा लग रहा है, but once I wore it, like it was made for me. It fit me so well. The color is popping and how, and you can see the hand का जो balloon sleeves है and नीचे जो frill है, it's so nice. The smartest thing, I don't know why, designers don't do it, but if you see this kurti, like as I wore it, I was like, how is this fitting me so well? So इन्होंने ये ऊपर से लेके, मतलब यहाँ से जो attachment होता है हाथ का, ये हाथ के attachment से लेके उन्होंने मेरे neck तक they've put elastic, like, so it's just hugging me and it's not even sliding off and showing my bra कहीं पे भी. ये एकदम comfortably it's there and it's stuck, like it's not going to move, and I love it. It was not even showing too much and it was still right where I wanted it to be, and the color, the design, the print, everything is just so fun and I love it, and it's such a soft material. Like I could sleep in this. It's very soft. I love it. Literally one of my favorite pieces of this entire haul. The next kurti we have is this. Now honestly, as I said, मुझे blue color with like kurtis and everything I love, because I feel that just blue on blue just looks very nice. Like a nice printed kurti with like blue denims and or like ripped jeans and just like boots or like mojdi या normal जुत्ती, कुछ भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and it screams peak summer. But the biggest miss here is that it does not have a cut. Like I think they wanted to make it like a frill thing like the pink one, but ये बिल्कुल उसके जैसे नहीं है. It's fully covered and it looks like a balloon and it looks flat and it's tight for me on my waist and my hips, so I just did not like it. Even the print is pretty okay. मुझे इतना नहीं पसंद आया. इसके ये वाले जो sleeves है, I know the detailing that has been given actually would look very nice if this was exactly of my size or if this had like a cut. I was really hoping कि इसका cut होता तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगता, क्योंकि ऊपर से the fit was very nice, but because it does not have it, I am going to return it because I honestly did not like it that much. Although if you are a size down, you probably would like it, because I think if you are an XL, like if you have your bust size 42 or 40 and if you're taking like an XL, probably आपको वो वैसा ही fit होगा जैसे मुझे pink वाला fit हुआ है. So then it will be like a good option, because then you can like have that breathing like area and you can just move around and be comfortable. Iske andar you will not be comfortable, but the material definitely is very soft. I think all the fabrics are very similar to each other, and this is also very comfortable, very thin and still pretty opaque, like aise see through nahi hai, and that I really like. The last kurti that we have is this yummy green, like a leafy green kurti. Like one thing if you know about me, or you should know about me, is that I love colors. Like there was this time in school jahan pe main sirf black, I was just obsessed with black. I would wear anything black because everyone would call me fat all the time, and मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि whenever I would wear black, that was the only time I would get compliments, or I would feel comfortable, or I would just black was like my happy color. It still is my happy color, but now it's because I genuinely love the color, not because I associate myself in a way that, oh, if I wear black is only when I'm going to look good. I look good in all colors, and I know that. With that being said, I actually didn't like experiment with colors that much in my school years. Even till I think second year of my college, I didn't experiment with colors. I had like blacks, grays, navy blues. I don't even remember like trying new colors. It was only until degree college when I started experimenting and trying new colors. Then I just became like a colored person. Like I would just, now I want, like if you see my wardrobe, or even if you see mere piche ka pura ye setup, there's just colors. There's blue, there's yellow, there's green, there's cream, there's black, there's purple, there's pink. There's just everything. There's yellow. Like even the bags that I can see mere camera ke jo piche rakhe hue, there's all colors. There's glitter, there's diamond sequins. I'm telling you now that I'm obsessed with colors. I don't know मैं कहाँ से कहाँ चली गई, but you get the point कि I love colors and I love all sorts of colors, and this was just, ये color मैंने कितने सालों बाद देखा है. I feel, and I don't have anything like this in my vanity. I think मेरे जब मैं छोटी थी तभी मेरे मॉम ने मेरे लिए कोई एक सूट सलवार लिया था which was of this color, and I don't think I've had anything. I have anything of this color, and it's such a nice color. I love it. I genuinely love it. The only thing I don't like is the fit of it. I feel it's a little too tight for me, even though it has like a slit. But I think the slit still is not doing justice for me. I so want to keep this because this is in 44. And the fabric is nice, the print is nice, it's such a nice contrast with blue. Even if I want to wear it with like black or even with like white plazos, ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा, and it's so chic and nice. मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा honestly, but I don't think I'm going to keep this because I just feel that it's not going to be comfortable for me, and I don't like wearing clothes that are too tight for me or where I'm not comfortable because I just don't like it. So this is going to be a miss for me, but oh my god, I love this color. If you are in 40 or 42, buy this in 44 and you will love it. It's such a pretty color. And with that, we are at the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'm going to link all the products in the description box ताकि आपको जो भी खरीदना हो आप directly link पे click करके उसको खरीद सकते हैं. I really hope आपको भी ये video अच्छा लगा हो. If you like any such videos, or if you want me to create any more hauls, या अगर आपके कोई new suggestions हैं, please let me know in the comment section so I can do that for you guys. And I'm going to be uploading a new video next Monday, so stay tuned for that. Until then, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.